7% that keep the rest of us safe. You know what these codes mean, because each of you has one of your own. No simple code can define who you are, but now it can help you search for whatever's next.
Silver alert. Repeat. Silver alert. The Tennessee Police Department is looking for 75-year-old George Havis. He is described as a white male, ginger hair, black eyes, and is 5 feet and 9 inches tall. He was seen wearing a black shirt, blue jeans, and white shoes. He was last seen on Tuesday, November 12, and is believed to be in extreme danger. If you have information about his current location, call 911 immediately. This has been an activation of the Tennessee Emergency Alert System.